today, which was mainly on the back of sharp correction seen in crude oil last night. As a result, Nifty opened well above 10,600 mark. During the initial part, we saw some kind of buying interest in the market, but again the recent hurdle of 10,645 acted as steep resistance, and from there on we witnessed a good profit booking. Index consolidated for the major part of the day, but eventually we saw decent amount of profit booking in the market, and that's the reason Nifty again snaked below its psychological level of 10,600. Now if you look at the overall daily chart, on the higher side now 10,645, 10,650 has become a very strong resistance. So if Nifty has to gain any momentum on the upward direction, then it has to first sustain about 10,650. If that happens, then yes, it can head toward its strong resistance zone of 10,750, 10,800. And on the low side now, 10,500 followed by 10,440 would be seen as crucial support levels. So as of now, we expect Nifty to consolidate in this range, and one has to wait for decisive move beyond this important range. See, as far as gainers are concerned, some of the private banking stocks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank did well. They continued their recent outperformance. Apart from this, FMCG giant HUL continued its strong run. This stock has already seen V-shaped recovery from low levels, and today too it has managed to give good positive traction. On the losing side, Pharma was clearly the major dragger, which has corrected more than 6 to 7% post its disappointing numbers. Apart from this, some of the heavyweight IT counters like TCS, Infosys, they corrected a bit, and they have been consolidating off late, and today we witness a decent amount of correction in this IT giants. So overall speaking, we did see some kind of index balancing, but at the same time, Nifty closed below its important support level of 10,600. So going ahead, our strategy would be to keep focusing on individual stocks that are likely to provide better trading opportunities, and one has to wait for a decisive move beyond this important range of 10,650 on the higher side and 10,440 on the lower side. As far as banking index goes, it has been outperforming a bit, but toward the fag end of the day, we witnessed a good amount of profit booking in some of the banking heavyweights also. So eventually Bank Nifty closed around its 200-day moving average, so it would be very crucial, it would be very important for Bank Nifty to stay beyond this important hurdle. At the same time, if we look at the mid-cap index, it has been facing some kind of resistance around its major resistance. So one has to wait for further developments to happen.